After creating your virtual machine on VMware Player and deploying the operating system, your next step is to install the VMware tools. So what are VMware tools and why you should install them? You must know that many VMware features are not available until you install VMware tools. For example, the full screen feature is not available by default in VMware Player. If I extend the VMware Player window to display it in full screen, you can notice that the guest operating system screen does not fulfill the entire space and keep displaying in limited screen size. So to overcome this limitation and unlock the full screen feature and others, you need to install the VMware tools. To install the VMware tools, you should first be logged in to your system. You can notice that the guest operating system screen resolution stays limited, and when I move the mouse, for example, to the left of the screen, you can see that I get two mouse pointers, one for the guest operating system, and the second one is the mouse pointer of my Windows 10 host operating system. After you install the VMware tools, you will only get one mouse pointer for the two operating systems, the guest and the host. This is another feature of VMware tools. To install the VMware tools, open the Player menu, go to Manage, then click on Install VMware Tools. Next, open Windows Explorer. You can see that the virtual DVD drive has been mounted on Windows Server 2022. So click on the DVD to display its content. Then double-click on the setup program to launch the installation. The installation is pretty simple. Just keep following the steps. Keep the typical option selected and click Next. The installation is complete, so click Finish. You must restart your system to apply the configuration, so click Yes. So let's see if now I can have my Windows Server desktop in full screen mode by resizing the VMware Player screen. Yes, it works. I have my desktop in the full screen mode now. Now I want you to do the same thing on the Windows Server 2022 core version and install the VMware tools.